we mwega nidakunyita ugeni tabarĩra-inĩ ĩno ya gũthoma rũthiomi rwa Gĩkũyũ na Wanjiru. Today's question is, niwendete tabarĩra ĩno? Do you like this channel? That is what we are going to learn. How to use the words I like and I love, which is the same thing in Kikuyu language. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Remember to share this video. And now let's start our lesson. First, to like or to love is kwenda. Kwenda. We will look at 10 sentences with I like or I love, and we are also going to learn how to use them if I'm the one saying it, if you are the one saying it, and if he or she is the one saying it. The first sentence is I love you. I love you or I like you is negwedete. Negwedete. In this case, you will notice that we are saying gwedete because I'm saying you. But in other sentences, it's going to be a little bit different, and we'll find that out soon. But to say I love you is negwedete. To say I love him or her is nedemwedete. Nedemwedete. Or you can always say nenyedete Wanjiru. Nenyedete Wanjiru. I like Wanjiru or I love Wanjiru. Like now I can say I love you, my student. So I'll say negwedete murutuo wakwa. Second sentence is I like listening to music. So now to say I like in this case or I love is now when we say nenyedete. Nenyedete. For you, if I wanted to say you like, I will say newedete. Newedete. If I want to say he or she likes or loves, I'll say needete. Needete. So our sentence, I like listening to music, I'll say nenyedete guthikiriria nyimbo. Nenyedete guthikiriria nyimbo. We niwendete guthikiriria nyimbo. Or we niwendete guthikiriria nyimbo. So that means, do you like listening to music? And I also said you like listening to music. The only difference there is the question mark. If it's he or she, I'll say needete guthikiriria nyimbo. So you can say Wanjiru needete guthikiriria nyimbo. So we have another sentence. I like to travel to other countries. I will say nenyedete guthie or gucera mabũrũri mangĩ. Nenyedete gucera mabũrũri mangĩ. We niwendete gucera mabũrũri mangĩ. We niwendete gucera mabũrũri mangĩ. Mwangi niendete gucera mabũrũri mangĩ. Mwangi niendete gucera mabũrũri mangĩ. I love reading stories. Nenyedete guthoma ng'ano. Nenyedete guthoma ng'ano. We niwendete guthoma ng'ano. We niwendete guthoma ng'ano. We niendete guthoma ng'ano. We niendete guthoma ng'ano. I love to try new foods. Nĩnyendete gũcama irio ingĩ. Nĩnyendete gũcama irio ingĩ. Or I can say, nĩnyendete kũgeria irio ngũrani. Nĩnyendete kũgeria irio ngũrani. We nĩwendete kũgeria irio ngũrani? We nĩwendete gũcama irio ingĩ? Njeri nĩendete gũcama irio ingĩ. Njeri nĩendete gũcama irio ingĩ. I love getting up early. I'll say, nĩnyendete gũkĩra tene. Nĩnyendete gũkĩra tene. We nĩwendete gũkĩra tene? We nĩwendete gũkĩra tene? We nĩendete gũkĩra tene? Let's talk about our baby. Mwana nĩendete gũkĩra tene? Asa. Mwana nĩendete gũkĩra tene. The next one is, I like rainy weather. Nĩnyendete rĩera rĩa mbura. Nĩnyendete rĩera rĩa mbura. We nĩwendete rĩera rĩa mbura? We nĩwendete rĩera rĩa mbura? We nĩendete rĩera rĩa mbura? We nĩendete rĩera rĩa mbura? I love cooking. I'll say, niĩ nĩnyendete kũruga. Niĩ nĩnyendete kũruga. We nĩwendete kũruga? We nĩwendete kũruga? Maitũ nĩendete kũruga. Maitũ nĩendete kũruga. Maitũ nĩendete kũruga. I like playing football. I'll say, nĩnyendete gũthaka mũbira wa magũrũ. Nĩnyendete gũthaka mũbira wa magũrũ. We nĩwendete gũthaka mũbira wa magũrũ? We nĩwendete gũthaka mũbira wa magũrũ? Kamau nĩendete gũthaka mũbira wa magũrũ. Kamau nĩendete gũthaka mũbira wa magũrũ. I love fruits. I'll say, nĩnyendete matunda. Nĩnyendete matunda? We nĩwendete matunda? We nĩwendete matunda? We nĩendete matunda? We nĩendete matunda? Now, if we were talking about an animal, I would say nĩyendete. Nĩyendete. For example, this dog loves meat. I will say, ngui ĩno nĩyendete nyama. Ngui ĩno nĩyendete nyama. Ngui ĩno nĩyendete nyama. Now, to say, I don't like, you don't like, and she does not like, we'll say, niĩ ndiendete. Niĩ ndiendete. An example, I don't like fruits. Niĩ ndiendete matunda. You don't like fruits. We ndwendete. We ndwendete matunda. We ndwendete matunda. He or she does not like fruits. We will say we ndwendete matunda. We ndwendete matunda. So you can use the same sentences that we've done to say I don't like, you don't like, and he or she does not like. It's going to be the same. I don't like is ndiendete. You don't like is ndwendete. He or she does not like is ndwendete. So go ahead and try those sentences with these 3 negations. If now we wanted to say the dog does not like meat, I'll say ngui ndiendete. Ngui ndiendete nyama. So we're just playing with the vowel sounds. For me, it's ndiendete. For you, it's ndwendete. For he or she is ndwendete. And for an animal, it's ndwendete. So we've used 4 vowel sounds there. It is very, very simple. You just have to know which vowel sounds to use. And that is the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. And don't forget to tell me if you like this channel. Niwendete tafarira eno. How do you answer that in Kikuyu? Tigwa wega!